Greetings everyone, in today's video I will show you unlock Snapchat due to repeated failed. Your access to Snapchat is temporarily disabled iPhone. Before getting started, please subscribe to the channel. So how can we fix this problem? First of all, this problem occurs when you try your own password for more than 3 or 4 times. So if you try password, this problem will occur. So you have to wait for more than 5 minutes, or sometimes after this you have to try out signing your account again. Your problem will be fixed. So if your problem is still not fixed, now what you have to do, you have simply go back and open your browser, and in search bar right here accountsnapchat.com, click here and you have to put your username and password, and you have to wait for few seconds. Scroll it down. So here is the option of unlock your account. Click here on unlock my account. So here is the option of unlock. Click here so you can check that. So now what will you simply go back, open your Snapchat app, you have to write the password and click on login. So you can check that our problem has been fixed. Now our account is reactive and our where the account is temporarily disabled is now unlocked. So by this method you can easily fix this problem. So this is the video for today. Thanks for watching this.